Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Google Assistant using your earbuds JLAB EPIC LAB. So, by default, to call Google Assistant you should press 2 times at the touch area on your left earbud. The touch area is located right here and also right here at the right one. Now press 2 times, 1, 2. And as you can see, Google Assistant is awake, so it works. Also, I want to show you how to change it. And we can make it if you install the application, open it, click on your earbuds. And right here we have a touch controls. Click on it also. And now, as you can see, right, by default it used the left earbud. But you can change it by press on the best one for you. Let's say you want to change it for the triple press for the right earbud. You just click on it and then you need to choose Google/Siri, and you can make it on the another controls. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.